Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Today we are going to do part 2 of my £5 mower restoration. About time getting this number 2 done. Anyway, there might be a little twist in this project yet, because over in my stash of mowers I have another one which is got exactly the same deck, which is broken though on the deck, and it's an electric powered one. So what I'm thinking of doing is swapping it over onto this deck because it's completely intact. So we'll see. Let's go and have a look at the other one as well. Right, okay, this is the one. This one has got a 5 horsepower Quantum XTL engine on it. At some parts, this bar here is in better condition than what is on the other one. This is where it's got a broken plastic deck. I'm not too sure what to drive it is working at all, and I think the height adjuster could be broken on this one. Oh no, it's going up and down, but for some reason this is not connecting to anywhere. Exhaust cover's missing on it. There's no battery, and I actually think that there is some wires. There is a wire missing that goes from the starter motor and to the battery. So I'll have to have a look to see what they are. The handlebars are a bit better condition than what the other ones are. The only thing is on the handle, all the rubber is broken on it, so might just have to take that completely off anyway and do away with that. Or if there's another way I could put some sort of leather strapping on it, let us know. What do you think I could do with it? Or do you think that I should swap this one over? Now if I do swap it over, I might be surprising somebody with it as a freebie. So please let us know. Right, okay, let's start taking off these handlebars first. It's quite rusty. Those back on there just so you don't lose them. So we know what goes back to where. I will probably put these nuts and bolts in vinegar when I'm done. Okay, one handlebar done. Now I've got to figure out how to take this off. It should be a bolt around the other side. Here we go. Come off very easy. Right, let's pull this through here. This cable's not in the best condition. Well, there was a lot of rust on that. Okay. I'm going to put those under there into my box, which fold in bits so I don't lose them. Okay, we'll start doing this. I'm going to put you on time lapse because this is going to be quite a time consuming part. So sort this out. Right, I'm going to start taking this blade off. What I have noticed inside the nut, that someone has tried to hit something in it and it's worn out a bit. Now I've got a number 8 bit here, and what I've had to do is grind down each bit just so it actually fits inside, because I don't have the right size nut or Allen key size for it. I don't know which is the right size, so what I've grind it down a little bit, put that in, and hopefully now I can take this off. Oh bloody hell, that come off a lot easier. Right. Oh well, making your own tools. Well, the blade's not too bad. I'll completely resharpen that, clean all that up, and I'll even give that a little respray. Right. That all needs a clean. There's a lot of rubbish in here. I'm not going to try and take this off. Right, okay. Let's see if these come off nice and easy. Just make sure these are the right ones. Yep, just needed a bit of persuasion to get in. So keep an eye on it so it doesn't snap. Yep. Okay, well, that one come out nice and easy. So I've got to prise them in a bit. What I might do is keep that one in there loose, just to stop it from falling out. That's it. Keep an eye on the bolt on the inside. Yep. That's what I like to see, coming out nice and easy. I did spray them with the nuts with WD-40 earlier. Just tap that in. Okay. Come round so I can keep an eye on the nuts. The last thing you want in these engines is for them to shear. Okay. Okay, that's off. Okay, we're off. Well, that ain't too bad, was it? Though it does all need a good clean inside. I will take these bits off because I want to look inside, because if I do take it apart and change it over with the other one, I'm going to need to put all the drive motor inside as well. Right, okay, let's get this plastic covering off. There's quite a few screws on these. I'll have to do all these by hand, I think. Right, okay, let's see if I've got a screw bit which will fit. Okay, there's one. That's for that one. Don't want to lose all the screws. Okay, there's one piece out. Something might have been living inside here. There's a bracket inside there that needs to come out. Is it out? No. I think that's all I need. No, that's the drive bit on there. Let's put you on time lapse again. Okay, right, that's this one taken apart. As you can see, there are many pieces, and it is quite a state inside there, so this deck is really going to need cleaning. Right, so that's this one done, and let's get on and do with the other one. Alright, okay, I've got the other one on the table now, so I'm going to put you on time lapse because it is a time consuming thing, so otherwise the video is just going to be too long. See you in a bit. Right, let's see if this blade comes off a little bit easier. Now that's strange, that is. Now that's happened to that. This nut, believe it or not, is now a different size. So let's go and see if I've got another size 8 to fit that. Right, okay, I did have the right size. to have done the job. Now, I wonder if this boss will come off here. Just so I can clean the engine. Okay. I'm not going to take it off. Right. Let's see if this engine comes off a lot easier. Let's do what I did last time. That's it. Okay. Leave that one just on there. Okay. These ones are coming off nicely. That's what I like to see. Well, this engine's coming up a lot easier than what the other one was. What's going on here then? Right, something's stuck. Right, the reason why that wasn't coming off is because the drive belt was stuck on the pulley. So I'm going to leave all these electrics there for the moment, and we'll sort this engine out at another time. So we'll put this one on the deck for the moment. I'm going to have to sort out some room. Now to get this drive cable off, yes, see if I can bring you in a bit. I can't zoom you in, I'm afraid, but just there. This is a clip spring one, so it's, hopefully it should be quite easy. Let's put that there. Put a screwdriver in there, and it should just spring off. There it goes. That's it. Let's not lose it. Now, the cable ain't too bad, but on this side it's all twisted. So I'm hoping that it's not going to be a problem. Well, it does move up and down slowly, so let's have a look. If I put it in there, inside that, maybe leaving it in there might sort of help it. We'll see. Let's put that with the other ones. Okay. Drive belt just comes off. Well, believe it or not, I've got to take all this off anyway, so, and everything else. I'm going to put you on time lapse like I did on the last one. Right, I managed to get that off. Let's just take these wheels off now. Front ones off. I know I've got one, but I'll keep this as spares, or even I might even sell it on eBay. Someone might want it, someone might need it. And parts for these, especially these front wheels, axles, I don't think they're going to be very cheap. even these plastic covered bases. Oops. Split pin, I don't need that split pin, I've got loads. That one don't want to go. There's always one. There we go. That's another axle up, spare one. And the front wheels. I might even use this one actually. This bar is what I'm going to be taking off and using on the other one, because it's in better condition. All up here is all rusted, and all these numbers as well are all gone. So on this one I'll just have to give it a clean. So that will be very handy. You can see where the numbers are just there. Better condition than what the others are. Right, I think that's the job well done. What I'm going to do is now just take you off. You can see down there all the bits virtually for 2 of these mowers. So I'm going to need to have a little tidy up, and then that's it. Right. Well, let's have a quick look at these engines. This one's off the original one, which was just a push mower. It is in quite dire condition. The exhaust, I'm not too sure if I can save this one. I will have a go. I do have plenty of other spare ones. As you can see inside there, it is caked with oil. So I don't know if this was not working on there, sitting on the leaking from here at all. Also underneath it's also caked with thick oil, so I'm not too sure if the oil seal has gone in this. If it has, I will have to replace that if I keep this engine on it. So this one needs a good clean as well. So we'll put that one to the side, and I'll just lift the other engine up. Right, I haven't taken the fuel off of this one yet, or emptied the oil. This one as well is in the thick state of needing cleaning up. Let's have a look at the other side. The underside ain't too bad. The oil seal's alright on this one. I'll have to check that the starter motor is actually working. And that's it, I think. Seems like a better engine. I don't know what year this engine is. Well, it's got no numbers on the casing. That's unusual for a Briggs & Stratton. Unless it's in the... Oh, where it is. Hang on a second. Right, so that's the code. Well, I don't think it's a 1987. I'll have to try and work that out again. Which one's the actual code? It could be a 2005 as well. Yeah, it could be a 2005 or it's a 1987. I'll have to work it out. If anyone else knows about these, normally the code for these is on the front of the casings, but on this one it's on this little plate here. Now, is this an older Briggs & Stratton or is it a new one? There's no tags on the actual mower. I took it off to say what year it has actually come from. Right, okay, so I think that was a good day of doing that, stripping both of those mowers down, and now I'm gonna wait until I get some comments. What do you think? Do you think I should swap them over and make it into a self-propelled and electric start, providing I have got the other bit for the battery? I do have a battery, but once again, I'm not too sure if it's any good. I do have alternative type batteries, which are LiPo batteries, and you can easily unplug those and charge them up with a charger. The person who I'm thinking of giving them won't need it too much, so it's just to help them start it rather than having to pull hard on it. My wife has got a good idea who it is, so there you are. Anyway, right, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to just subscribe. It does help, and also tick on that notification bell so you can hear more of my videos that have come along. So that's it from me for this time. It's helped. Hope I can hear from you for comments, and cheerio for now.